Hey guys, it's Lily
and Kayana from the Family Show.
Yeah, and this is what you should say to a McDonald's worker,
Any
a manager.
kind of worky.
Yeah.
I said worky. Worker.
Bless you. Thank you. Any kind of worker at McDonald's. So.
Like a
chef, worker there, or
and
like manager.
Like
you should really do it to the manager.
If a part of your family is a chef at McDonald's, then you should say that.
Yeah.
Why you gotta be so rude?
Okay, not yet. Okay, here we go. Why you gotta be so rude? You put pink goo in food. So that's what you should say to a McDonald's thing.
Because if you watch this video, I think it's 10 or 15 worst things about fast food, and it says at McDonald's they have pink goo in their food.
Yeah, it's really disgusting. So I hope you guys watch this.
And it makes you really
I hope you guys watching. It's been our dream to be really famous on YouTube. So yeah, tits guys. I know this camera isn't that good. It's an iPhone. It's my mom's phone. So that's it, guys.
We're trying to get a better camera.
Yeah.
Bye.